Hello, my name is Errol and I'm with Legends Realty, and today I'll be showing you the property 317 East Amelia Street, Unit 4 in downtown Orlando, Florida. Let's take a look. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo, and I hope you like it. When we first walk in, we are in your living room, and then to the left we have your kitchen and dining room area. You have an in-unit washer and dryer, hardwood floors, here's bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. Here is your 1 bathroom. Hopefully you like this video. Again, this is 317 East Amelia Street in downtown Orlando, Unit 4. And thank you for watching.